Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I have come to a new place nearest my village, and this video I will talk about something monsters flowers. They're very beautiful to look at, and these flowers is cultivated only in winter season. Even in this field you're seeing every side is empty, looks is empty, but even 2-3 years ago the field was full of this flower. But why it is happening now? Only some number of fields is being cultivated these valuable crops. But most of the farmer is not agree to do this because 2-3 years ago, one kind of disasters happened in this field in our country, in our village also, and it was flooded and there was destruction a lot, and the farmer faced a lot of damages. And for this reason, from that time the farmer didn't get any encouraged to do this. But in this year some farmer decided to grow these crops, very beautiful and very valuable, I think. And I agree. Why I agree about this? Because mustard flower is a one kind of oil. It's a mustard oil. It is helpful for our body compared to soybean oil. For this reason, farmer products and produce this mustard flower, and it looks like from its seed time to the harvest time, this time is the perfect for looking this, and it happens in only winter season. And there is another part far away, you have seen or not, there is also some field who have been cultivated this valuable. But I like mustard field, and especially today I have come to my field to make a video about this. And it takes around 1 or 2 months to complete, or more than. I have no about farming because I'm not a farmer, even I am not attach myself into a farmer. I will show you something more. Before me there is a palm tree, and it has been standing more than 10 or 15 years. Even from my childhood I am seeing this palm tree. But what do you think about this flower? Of course, comment on the comment box, and I'm waiting for hearing or knowing from your valuable comments about this. And very beautiful, and it looks like. And there is also something mustard flower, but the flower, it is growing, but it is not suitable for us. It takes around 1 or 2 months to complete it. And I have said that is this very large palm tree. You are seeing that maybe. Even when a child, even 10 years ago, 1 decade ago, I came and I observed this tree was very little because my size, but it size is very large. It is maybe around 20 or 30 feet large. This palm tree is one of the sign to come here, and wherever you look at, you can come seeing this, the sign of this tree. And it is very large nowadays. You've seen very large, and it's very big. You cannot uh, touch it from here to there. You took about your 2 hands, but more than, it is very beautiful. So I am going to end my video here. So what things have you learned from this video about this tree, and about the mustard flower? I think you have learned many things. Inshallah, we'll come back with next video. Of course, comment your valuable about the mustard flower.